Want your resume to land in the right hands? Here's how to make it ATS-friendly. First, choose the right format. Stick with chronological or combination formats and avoid creative layouts like functional resumes. Keep it simple, no tables, columns, or images. Next, use ATS-optimized templates. Clean, simple, and specifically designed for ATS systems. Apps like Resume Builder, CV Maker app have you covered. Fonts matter too. Stick with Arial, Times New Roman, Calibri, or Georgia. Save your CV as a Word document or PDF. Keywords are your secret weapon. Scan the job description and sprinkle relevant keywords naturally throughout your resume. Formatting should be straightforward. Use bullet points and avoid special characters or complex layouts. Ensure your contact info is not in headers or footers. Stick to the basics. Professional summary, work experience, education, skills, and certifications. Tailor your resume for each job, highlighting relevant experiences and skills. With these tips, your resume will not only pass the ATS, but also impress hiring managers. Good luck.